Guest is God. We Indians believe that guest is equivalent to God. Good morning, everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all at the 25th annual function of Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Chief Guest of Honor, Mr. Satyabhan Chaudhary. The presence of such personality in a school annual function is a blessing, and we are very thankful to him for taking the time out of his busy schedule and marking the presence here. I feel immense pleasure in introducing our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Satyabhan Chaudhary, who has been working as a politician since 10 years in XYZ party. Mr. Satyabhan sir always worked for the growth and betterment of the society and value the citizens. He always takes stand for what is right. He always emphasized the importance of education, picking the right career, working hard. Many of his writings on social reforms and social problems had won him fame. We hope that not only the students but we all able to seek a little guidance and imbibe from you something from your thoughts. And here I end. We are looking forward to hearing words of wisdom from you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.